From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and happy Wednesday. My name is student meteorologist Brendan Schmalenberger here with your CNET forecast. Looking behind me right now at Beaver Stadium. It is a little bit cloudy or so, and that's been a common theme we've seen throughout the day today. Only around 45 degrees, 46 degrees or so right now, although it does feel around 39, 40 degrees. That is because we had a little bit of that wind chill. Not too much. Southeast wind around 10 miles per hour or so. Visibility, though, is a clear 10 miles all around. As we look at some of the temperatures in the surrounding area, about 45 State College again. We're seeing around 50 in Indiana, 46 up in Du Bois. Look across the rest of the Commonwealth, though, we're seeing around 55 in Pittsburgh, 56 down in Philadelphia down there. Besides that, though, really not too much variation. We are seeing a little bit of the warmer sides from this warm front that we are going to be seeing coming through the Pennsylvania region. Now, as we look at departure from average, again, nothing too crazy that we've seen so far. Around 3 degrees more in Pittsburgh or so, around -4 in Erie. State College itself probably has the most drastic change around -10 degrees or so, besides, of course, Allentown and, maybe the likes of the more northern, northeastern portions of the state. Around -14 degrees or so. Again, we've had that warm front coming through on the eastern portion, covering a lot more of these states. So although Pennsylvania itself isn't really seeing a whole lot of change, we're definitely starting to see way out western here of Pennsylvania, Columbus, Louisville, even down in Nashville or so, definitely getting some of those warmer temperatures than what we've seen in the past couple of days. Now, as of right now, though, we have been experiencing a couple of storms, a huge storm system all the way through the western portion of the United States or so, cutting into Pennsylvania right now, just north of Pittsburgh and a little bit over that Ohio border that we saw. Again, as I just said, we've had that really big system that's been making its way across the United States right now, hitting St. Louis, Chicago or so, and of course wrapping back down and just clipping the northern portions of Pennsylvania itself. So State College could possibly see a couple of showers or so, even a possible thunderstorm later on into later today. But this is something that I did want to point out, though. This is the SBC outlook for tomorrow that we're seeing, and we are still going to be experiencing a lot of severe storms all across this band going into the eastern portion of the U.S. As of right now, there actually is a higher risk out by Indiana or so, down in this region, roughly around there. We're seeing around Memphis or whatnot. There's a big risk. If you look at the SBC outlooks over the next couple of days or so, we're going to be seeing a good amount of thunderstorms or whatnot that could be coming our way. Again, future weather, so we are possibly seeing a couple of those showers going through as we get later into tonight, going into tomorrow morning or so. A couple showers returning around 7:30, 8 a.m. So if you do happen to be traveling at that time, just keep that in mind. As we go later on, though, around the afternoon or so, again, possible couple showers or so blowing through, going all the way into late Thursday night, early Friday mornings when we're really going to see a lot possible thunderstorms or so overnight. Again, early Friday morning, it will clear up just a little bit, which will be nice. Maybe a little bit clipping down on the southeastern portion of Pennsylvania. Besides that, really nothing too much or so. A little bit of a break, actually. Getting later on into the night, Pittsburgh or so, could possibly be seeing a couple of showers, and that will continue on into the latter of the weekend around Saturday and Sunday. But temperature outlook, though, again, is something I did want to point out. We are seeing it getting a lot warmer to the western portion of the United States. I know I did just say that we had that warm front coming through, but as all this rain comes through, it's also going to be cooling down over the next couple of days into the weekend and even beyond that. So we're going to be seeing get a lot more chillier than what we have been seeing over the past couple days or so, or what more so we would expect to see at this point. Around 46 degrees, though, as of tonight. Rain will be arriving later on with winds from the south around 15 to 20 miles per hour, so it can get a little bit chillier with some of that wind chill coming through. Around 72 degrees or so tomorrow, although it will be warming up. Again, we do have the possibility of some showers and thunderstorms, more so near the earlier portions of the day, and then possibly later on in the afternoon around after 2 o'clock or so. Just keep that in mind as far as that goes if you happen to be out and about. As far as the rest of the 7-day forecast goes, though, Wednesday, Thursday, again, we have some possible showers or whatnot. I mean, look, rain's the game here, right? There's really nothing much changing. Not even a little bit of sun that we're really seeing over the next couple of days or so, all the way past through the weekend. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer, but then again, that will start to head back down as we get into the work week, around 52, 42 coming up on Monday and Tuesday. Besides that, though, it's just showers, and more showers. Be wary, though, again, as this SBC outlook does develop, we could be seeing a couple of thunderstorms throughout the weekend as well, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Nothing too consistent, but periodic, so just something to keep in mind. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.